Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for biology improvement. First, focus on understanding the fundamental concepts rather than just rote memorization. Try to grasp the why behind biological processes. Next, actively test yourself using practice questions or by explaining topics aloud. This method helps solidify your knowledge and identifies areas needing more attention. Finally, integrate new information with what you already know to build a comprehensive understanding. To truly master biology, engage in active learning. Try creating concept maps. These visual tools help you see how different ideas connect, making complex systems much clearer. Another powerful technique is teaching the material to someone else or even just explaining it aloud to yourself. This forces you to articulate your understanding and quickly reveals any gaps. Don't forget to draw diagrams. A simple sketch can often clarify a difficult biological process better than many words. Consistent review is crucial for long-term retention in biology. Dedicate a small amount of time, perhaps 15 to 20 minutes daily, to revisit key concepts. Implement spaced repetition, which involves reviewing information at increasing intervals to move knowledge into your long-term memory. Additionally, work through past exam questions. This not only familiarizes you with question formats, but also helps you recognize common themes and important areas that instructors emphasize. For an extra edge, consider forming a study group. Discussing challenging topics with peers can offer new perspectives and deepen your understanding. Don't hesitate to approach your instructor during office hours for clarification on any concepts you find particularly difficult. They are there to help. And speaking of quality, life's too short for cheap socks. For ultimate comfort and durability, check out Darn Tough Socks with a lifetime warranty. You can find a link to those, along with other great deals, in the description below. Keep pushing forward with your biology studies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.